So how do you create the same budget versus actual dashboard in Excel and Power BI? Well, you can start off by creating a data model in Excel. This will allow you to connect your actual and budget tables, as well as other dimension tables in your workbook. After this, you can create a pivot table and use cube functions to create a dynamic layout for your actual versus budget report. The advantage with this approach is that you get a report that responds to your slices and automatically updates when you add new data. Then you can create your Excel dashboard by adding a few visualizations to track trends and patterns. To create the same dashboard in Power BI, you can export your existing data model into Power BI. You can use DAX to create relevant measures in your Power BI, and after you can create your visualization. So in the end, you are going to end up with an Excel dashboard that looks like this, with your departments as slices. So you're able to click through each department and see how the actuals and budgets are looking. You can also switch view between actual and budget. And there's also this dynamic conditional format that allows you to see which particular month's actual exceeded budget. Now, our duplicate Power BI also sits in here, same layout, giving you the ability to switch actual and budget views as well. This case study is part of 3 modules we'll be learning from in our upcoming interactive training session at Finder School. This is our 7th edition. Members are going to get 48 hours of hands-on learning, assignments, practical project work for each module. You also get recorded videos for private learning. You get admission to our premium WhatsApp group for peer-to-peer support and networking, and also free admission to our seminars and bootcamps. This is part of 3 modules. So apart from analytics with Excel and Power BI, our evergreen Excel for Work program, which covers beginner, intermediate, and advanced topics, would help you walk through the relevant Excel topics you can use at work. There is also the financial modeling program, where you can study to earn a global certification in financial modeling from the World's Financial Modeling Certification Program from the Financial Modeling Institute. We will walk you through tips and tricks you can use to pass the Advanced Financial Modeler program, with a practical case study on how to build a complete 3-way integrated financial model with assumptions, scenarios, schedules, and financials. You also learn how to create a summary page after this with some form controls that will give you insights on performance. It's a very good time to join our growing community of learners. You can join us for our preview class for free this Saturday, June 26th at 9 a.m. on Zoom. You can visit our website, you can download the full brochure, or send join to this WhatsApp number and we'll send you details to join us on Saturday. Thank you so much for watching.